How are you? Officer Nikwe, Melbourne Police Department. Just want to let you know everything's being recorded via body camera. Just license, please. License. Can I just identify you? Can you just turn the vehicle off for me?
Sure.
No problem. Mind just stepping out of the vehicle?
Why am I being stopped?
Step out. Can you just step out? He's asking you to step out. Step out. Roll the window down. Step out. Step out. Step out. He's about to try to take off. Where are you going? Stay right here. Stay right here. Stay right here. All right, I understand that, but stay right here. Step out. Get out the car. Get out the car. So try to get out the car. Try to get out the car. Get out the car. Get out. Get out the car. Get the out of the car. Get out of the car. Get the out. Get out the car. Get out. Unlock the car. Unlock the fucking door. Turn the car. Unlock the door. Turn the car off. Open the start us more. Start. Get out. I'm breaking the window. Open the car. Get your window punch. Get your window punch.
Have not been reviewed by the blah-bitty.
You can't go for two vehicles.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car, you fucking idiot. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Get out of the car. Turn the car off. Turn the car off. Get out of the car. Whip it out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car. You're going to get sprayed. You're going to get sprayed. You're going to get fucking sprayed. No, you had more than a second. You're going to get sprayed. You're going to get sprayed. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Right now. Get out. Hold it, I'm coming. Get out of the car. I'm not around with you anymore. Give me your fucking hands. Give me your fucking hands. What the f is wrong with you? I got it. Stand back. Stand back. Stay back. Stay back. I know. Just stand back. Units are okay. We might need a hook for the patrol car. What is wrong with you? Get her up. Get up. Get up. We might need a hook for the patrol car.
Can I please have a drink?
No, you're not getting
Relax. They got you already. They got.
Do me a favor. Go sit down.
I grab my phone.
Go sit right here for now. Just go sit right here.
I didn't do nothing.
No. I know you didn't do anything. Search her.
Relax. Relax.
Anything on you?
I didn't do anything.
You did. You told me to get out of the car multiple times.
No, I'm saying like I didn't take anything.
Nobody said you took anything.
Why are you running? There any other pockets that I can't see?
So now what? She stole this too?
I didn't steal anything. I really stole nothing.
Well, I mean...
Is he involved or what?
No, he was just with her.
Can I have my shoe?
Dude, I'm checking this gun up.
Can I just have a sip of my drink?
You're not getting anything now.
Hey, let me give it to you. I will give it.
Nope.
They're not.
Absolutely not.
I'll take it. I'll give you $5.
Go again with that.
I have seen responding to a patrol car.
10-4, start a hook for this vehicle too. Buick SUV.
You alright?
10-4 headquarters.
Yeah.
Can I have my shoe though?
Not yet, so get some in, okay?
Stand by that. Yeah, right now, don't step anywhere near the vehicle.
I'm not doing nothing. My stuff is in here. That's some other stuff.
I understand whatever y'all mad at what I did, but I'm still like human. Can I just have a drink? I won't touch you.
We will in a second. Give us a second. Can we get her in someone's car and out of here? You have her ID and everything?
Yeah, we'll walk that over.
Did you check her wallet? Check her wallet. Throat hurts?
I can't. I really bad asthma.
I assisted him in.
She has a bunch of warrants. Wanted to stop her.
No.
She already got in the car by the time Nikwe jumped out.
I'm waiting for the.
Go again. Gave her multiple times to stop out. She locked the door, started the car. Couldn't open. My window punch wasn't working.
293.
What pills are these? Let's see her Miranda. Read her Miranda real quick. I know you're in the middle of a search, but just...
I'll do it.
Okay.
You had the right to remain...
Oh, sorry.
You had the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. You had the right to an attorney. You're not an attorney. The court will appoint one for you. If you decide to answer questions, you stop answering questions at this time. Or ask to have an attorney. You understand your rights? Good. What are the
This paperwork he says it is, he doesn't have any of these.
Like green and white.
Perfect.
No, that's green and white.
Yeah. And those are the little ones, the little round one, and the same ones that are out there. 12 on fine.
Yeah, you can't. You have to have actual bottles for each medicine.
He was with her when they came in, and then when we got back, when we stopped her, he was still out of the car. They're together. He just wasn't really involved. He was on the other side of the car telling her to stop the whole time. He doesn't want to give one, but you can ask him. No. He already asked him. He said no.
He has stuff, he didn't want to give me his ID, so he's not getting the stuff that he said he did. The name is on it, but he doesn't.
I technically have his name from Caldwell information.
He's part of it.
You want to
You need his information for the accident report at least. Get all his information.